everyone, today we're gonna see digraphs. Two letters join together to make one sound. Two letters join together to make one sound, which is said to be digraphs. Let's see some different kinds of digraphs. First one is SH. SH come together and gives the sound ush. Ush. Okay. Now let's see some examples. FISH. 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 WASH. 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 SHE. Ush. She. SHE. Double L. Ush. L. Shell. Shell. Next one is CH. CH join together and gives a sound of H. H. CHAIR. H. Air. Chair. Chair. CATCH. Cat. Catch. Catch. CHANGE. 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 CHOICE. 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 Next one is PH, which gives the sound of if. If. PHONE. 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 PHOTOS. 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 GRAPH. 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 ELEPHANT. 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 Now let's see WH, which gives the sound of V. WHAT. 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 WHERE. 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 WHALE. 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 WHITE. 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 Next, let's see TH. It. TRUTH. 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 THUMB. 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 THINK. 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 THANK. Tank. tank.